You for that insider's look. And Steve, it looks like he's got some clouds out there on the Columbia, but it's
Yeah.
not a terrible day.
He had some showers earlier when he was out this morning out in Astoria, and I see the deck was wet there on the ship, but not too bad so far, but that's going to pick up as we get later on into the afternoon, evening. You see the clouds here looking south from our Riverview Community Bank camera in Vancouver towards the West Hills. 63 degrees. He won't make it to this point because he'll veer off onto the Willamette before he gets to the Columbia at Vancouver. He will show up in this shot, though, later on. Current conditions right now as we look into downtown Portland, cloudy skies, 66 degrees, relative humidity 50%, and the dew point at 47. So feels a little muggy out there. South wind at 5 miles per hour. We have a few light showers passing through. You see that on satellite and radar now. Most of the activity has been confined to Clatsop County and points north up into Pacific County on the southern Washington coast this morning. We do see a few light scattered showers, though, in the valley, most of that not making it to the ground. But as we widen this out, boy, that is a fetch of moisture that goes about 1,000 miles out towards Hawaii. Atmospheric river, as it's called meteorologically. It's pointed at northwest Washington right now. It'll slowly sag over Portland tonight and then really over us on Friday evening as a second slug of moisture moves into the region. And I think we're going to repeat that again even on Saturday night. So we've got waves of moisture coming through. All right, 66 in Portland, 66 Salem, 60s along the coast except for Astoria, still in the 50s. And then over on the central and east side of the state, we're just beginning to cloud up over there. Temperatures in the lower 70s. They'll get in on some of that rain as well this weekend. Day planner, you've already seen the clouds out there right now, but we're going to warm up into the 70s. I think we're going to top out, still calling for 75 for a high today, which is not too bad as we dodge a few showers. Weather headlines painted out pretty well. Mostly dry and warm, mid 70s today. Rain increases overnight tonight and into your Friday. And then a wet and cool weekend again. I put again in quotes there because that's the third weekend now in a row that we've had wet weather. Now, average high temperature 73. We can only manage 3 or 4 days in there where we've been at or above average, mixed in with a lot of cooler days as well. Monthly rainfall total, I want to share this graphic, was we only had 0.8 of an inch of rain, but that's still 0.3 of an inch above where we should be for this time of the year or this time of the month. We're going to add a lot more to that. The average rainfall in June is usually about 2.5 inches. I think we'll exceed that again this month. So a string of wet months yet to come. Here comes that rain tonight. Here's 10:30. It moves into the valley. We get a little break tomorrow morning, early tomorrow morning into the afternoon, but watch what happens tomorrow night on Friday. That fire hose just points right at somewhere between Longview and Salem. It's just going to be dead on. Here's 7 o'clock Friday night, and that continues into your overnight hours. Now, coming up, rainfall totals, not a whole lot through Friday evening, but when we go overnight Friday night into Saturday, that's when we pick up the more substantial amounts of rain coming up on your weekend. Looks like a wet grand floral parade, and that also lasts into Sunday as well. Big ridge of high pressure pushing off to the east. That's down over the desert southwest. There's our trough of low pressure that swings through over the weekend. And then we might get a ridge of high pressure in here temporarily by about Tuesday or Wednesday of next week. But again, that continuation of that wet weekend, third one in a row coming up. Okay, increasing clouds. We've seen those today, 75 for a high. We're going to keep that overnight low pretty warm with that cloud cover in here as well. Next system comes in tomorrow afternoon and especially tomorrow evening. Saturday, we have scattered showers ending on Sunday. And Jenny, if we can actually get a few days in of dry weather, it's going to end up being next Tuesday and Wednesday when we barely get back to where we should be for this time of the year.
Yeah, a little too late for the parade, but
yeah,
oh,
unfortunately.
well. Okay, we'll be right back with a little more news and weather. Stick around.